Hello guys, welcome to back my channel.
Hi,
Today
I'm
I am
Shashank
going to share
Bhargav,
with
and you're
you
listening to Three
my
Things, the
mistake.
Indian Express news show.
Few months ago, regularly I was making video, but why did I
Yesterday, the Lok
stop
Sabha cleared the
making video? It is a
128th
point.
Constitutional
What was the
Amendment
reason?
Bill 2023,
So
which
it
is
was
aimed
my
at
biggest
bringing
mistake when
33%
that day I
reservation for
was
women in
making
the Lok
video.
Sabha and
That
all
time I
state
thought
legislative
when I
assemblies.
will become a
This bill,
fluent
which almost
speaker,
every
so
government
that
in
time
one way or
I will
another has
make
tried to
video.
push since
Because
1996,
sometimes
also extends
some
the quota
thoughts,
to the seats reserved
bad
for the
thoughts
scheduled
come in our
castes
mind
and the
every
scheduled
time,
tribes.
and we
Now,
don't
this
know
move is
what is the
expected to have a
reality.
wide impact on
Now I
Indian
am
politics.
missing
And the
a
BJP is also hoping
feeling
that
a
it would
bad
help them
and
gain more
very
women
bad
voters,
situation
which is a
because
core support
I
base for
was
the party
started
in many
making
of the
video
upcoming
and
assembly
I was
elections.
uploading
Talking about the bill
video,
during the
but
special
very
session of
suddenly
Parliament, PM
I
Modi on
stopped
Tuesday
only
said
due
that
to
perhaps
one
he is the
reason.
chosen one for
And another
empowering and
thing
strengthening
was
women,
when I
and
was
that all
making video,
MPs should come
I was
together to open the doors
using
for the
filler word
empowerment
and
of Nari
sometimes I
Shakti.
also try to
महिलाओं को अधिकार
give
देने
the
का, महिलाओं की
explanation,
शक्ति का
but
उपयोग
I
करने का
was not able
वो
for that.
काम
So it was little bit
शायद
difficult.
ईश्वर ने ऐसे
I
कई
should
पवित्र काम
accept the situation.
के लिए
I
मुझे चुना
should
है
accept the challenges.
और
But
देश की
when I
नारी
got
शक्ति
a
के लिए
challenge, so that time I
सभी
did the
सांसद मिलकर के
failure. It was very biggest mistake of my
नए
life.
प्रवेश द्वार खोल
Now I
दें
am thinking
इसका
if I
आरंभ
was making
हम इस
video
महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय से
continuously, so
करने
maybe
जा
I
रहे हैं
will become a fluent speaker.
Now, while this
Because
bill would very
when
likely get passed in the
when
Rajya
I
Sabha
was
as well,
making video,
it is
so
important
that
to
time
note that
I
it
was
might not
growing
get rolled
passive
out
way
anytime
because I
soon.
was listening
And this
after
is because,
that,
unlike
where is
previous
my
bills on
mistake?
women's
What is
reservation,
my quality?
this one
I have
is
a
linked to the
confidence for
delimitation
now.
exercise,
So many more
which is the
things
contentious
I can
process of
judge
fixing or
by
redrawing the
myself.
boundaries
Before
of different
judging another
constituencies.
person, I
So
can
today
judge
we are
myself.
dedicating this entire
But
episode to talk about this
when
bill
I
in
got some
detail.
challenges
We will
and
discuss what
problem,
its
so
implementation will look
without
like,
facing the
why it is
problem,
being
I left
criticized by the
the
opposition,
field.
and
It
the
was
attempts
very,
that were
very
made to
shameful
pass the
moment
women's
for me
reservation bill in the past.
because now I
And for
can
this,
speak.
we
But
first
even
speak to
I
Indian
also
Express's Apurva Vishwanath.
thinking
Apurva,
it was
could
a
you
very
begin by telling
biggest
us what
mistake.
exactly this bill
So same
states
things
and
it
how
happened
would
with
the
another
33%
person. They
reservation work?
started their journey
So the
and
constitution
they want to learn
amendments
English
basically
speaking.
provide
So
for
that time,
one-third
same kind of
reservation of
thought
seats
and
in the
same
Lok Sabha
type of
and all state
situation they
assemblies
have
for
to
women.
face.
So that's
And
what
when
the
they
bill
face the
clearly
problem,
says.
so
These will be
they
done
give
by
up same
introducing
there
new
how I
provisions
give
to the
up my
Constitution,
journey.
Article
So
330A
whenever
and
we have
Article
a
332A. So
challenges,
these new
problem,
provisions
without leaving
specify
problem,
that
we should
one-third of
accept the
seats
problem.
in the Lok
When
Sabha
we'll
and
have
the
a
legislative
problem
assemblies
and when
respectively
we'll try to
will be
solve,
reserved for women.
sooner or
These
later
amendments are
we'll
also
find
being
the
made in the
betterness and
provisions
we'll
where
find the
a
correct
similar
accuracy
reservation is
and
provided
correct.
for scheduled
Take
castes and
a
scheduled tribes. So
person,
wherever that quota is
he
mentioned, a new
started his
provision will now be
journey very
inserted for
poorly.
women.
But
Okay, so once
nowadays
the
he
33%
is
women's
on the
reservation
top
is
of the
implemented,
pyramid.
out of the
So
84
nobody
seats
is not
that are right now
perfect,
reserved
but
for the
perfect
SC
is
category,
when
for
you
example,
will
would
do
28
something
out
for
of them
yourself.
be reserved for
When will
women
you
who belong in
continuously
the SC
practice,
category?
try to learn it,
Yes, so
and
the
you will
one-third
make
women's
the
quota
English your
is
part
like
of
a
life. That
horizontal
time it
quota
will be possible
across
for
all
you,
seats.
and
So
it
imagine
will
two
find
vertical
you
bars, one for the general category
more
and
accuracy
one which
and
is
more
the scheduled
problem.
caste, scheduled tribe
Because
reserved seats in
sometime
the
we
parliament,
thought
right?
when I
Both
will
these
learn
together
English
make the
and that time my
543
life
seats that
will
we
be
have
better
right now.
and I
And
will
then
do something
imagine a
extra.
bar
But
running
no,
through
first
both of
of
these
try to
horizontals. That's
start
the women's
enjoy the
reservation.
language.
So
When will
33%
you
of seats
enjoy the
already
language,
reserved for scheduled
automatically
caste
you
and
will
scheduled
find
tribe will be for
happiness,
women of
emotion,
scheduled caste
and
and scheduled
also
tribe.
very
And
very
33%
an
of
extra
seats which are in the
happiness.
general
It
category
will
will be
help
for
you
women in the general
when
category.
you are doing some
Okay, so
work
right now
from
the general
bottom of your
category
heart.
seats are
That time
412.
you are
So
really
once this
doing
new
something
reservation is
special
implemented,
and
137
extraordinary
seats
things.
will be
But
reserved
when you
for
are
women
doing
in the
as a
category.
formality
Yes.
and you
And
are
Apurva,
not
right now
trying
there are
to
82 women
do
MPs in the Lok
something
Sabha.
extra,
How
so
much
that
is this
means you are
reservation
just
expected to
complete
increase this number?
completing your formality.
So
But you are
overall,
not
the
doing
idea
it.
is
So
that
my dear
at
friend,
least
so today
181 women
I going
will
to
be in
commit to
parliament
myself.
whenever this quota is implemented.
Next
That is
future, I
a
will
minimum
not stop
because
making
there
video.
could be seats which are not reserved for women
Anyhow,
where
any
women can
cost,
contest
I will
and
try
still
to
win.
shoot
So
video
what
and
we're
I
looking
will
at with
upload.
women's
There
resolution
will
is a
be
minimum of
two
181 women in the past.
One, I will
And does the bill
improve
mention
and
how
I will
long
learn
this provision,
something,
this
and
reservation
I
is supposed to
can
last
listen
for?
my voice.
So
I
there is
can
a sunset
see my
clause
confidence
in
level.
the
I
bill
can
itself, the
see my
constitutional
sentence,
amendment itself,
structure,
which says
grammar,
that
all
this
things I
quota
can
will be
judge
for a period
when
of
I will
15
listen
years
my
from
record
the date
video
that
again
it
and
commences.
again. So
A similar
there I
sunset
can
clause is also there
catch
for
my
SC/ST
problem. I
reservations,
can judge
but
my
that
problem.
keeps
I
extending,
can
every
recorrect
now
my
and then.
problem.
So unless there
Because
is political
only
will to
one
end this
I
quota,
can
the sunset clause can
make
always be amended.
myself perfect.
And Apurva, the
Nobody
previous governments have
will
attempted to
not come
clear
here
bills in the
for
past
perfect me.
in order to
So I
implement
should not
women's
wait for
reservation.
opportunity
Could you tell
when
us how
I will
those
have a
bills
better and
differ
good
from this one?
opportunity. That
So
time I
the
will do
crucial
something. No.
difference or
When I
the
have a
defining
opportunity
characteristic of this bill is
anyhow
that
and this
it makes
situation,
women's
I
reservation
should accept the
contingent
situation
on the
and I
delimitation
should
exercise.
just
The
complete
delimitation
my
exercise
activity.
is very
Because
contentious.
whose
And
person
what
want
the Constitution
do
Amendment
something,
now
he
says
not,
that
he never
that
wait
is
for
decided and
good
that is going to
moment,
take place
because we
after
will
the
not
first
find
census,
any kind
after
of
this
good
bill has
moment.
been passed. So
But
now
when
whenever we
a
have
good
the
moment,
next census,
so that
after
time
that
we
there is
should,
definitely
it is
going
very,
to be a
very
delimitation
biggest
exercise.
mistake of
So
us.
this,
But
which
where are
from the
you
42nd
trying to
Amendment,
start from
successive
there?
governments
When you
kept
start
freezing
from
this
there
and pushing this
now, so
forward
that
is
time
now a
you
reality.
will find
So
a
basically,
good
in terms
result
of rolling
and
out
good,
first the census would need to
your
take place,
result.
then the
So
delimitation
I
exercise,
should to
and
complete
then
my,
we can see it being
daily
implemented.
task. And when
Yes.
I will
So as
complete
things
my daily
stand, the
task,
earliest
then
the
I will
census
find
exercise,
more
which
and
was supposed to
more
happen
good and great
earlier,
result.
and
I
because
hope
of COVID, we had a delay.
you
The
like my
2021
video.
exercise can now be expected to happen in 2025. So